Hi guys, welcome back to Locked In with Ty, your ultimate destination for all things locks. So I get a lot of questions on how I do my head wrap. So I'm gonna show you a quick, cute hair wrap style for when you need a retwist. Like y'all, do y'all see this new growth? It's been like 3 months now, and my birthday is December 4th, so I'm thinking I'm gonna get one then, but I don't know. Anyways, let's get into it. So we're gonna put all of the hair up like so. Make sure it's not tight, because you will get a headache, okay? And we don't like headaches. We don't like migraines. All right, so I like mine kind of like close up, I guess. Like close, the highest possible, if that makes sense. Like, cause it could, like the ponytail could be back here, it could be right here, but I like it as close as possible to the front. And then I get my handy dandy head wrap and fold it in half, which is already folded because I always wear this, and just wrap it around like that. Bring it to the front, and this time we're gonna twist. So twist, 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 twist all the way into the end, and then you just literally, guys, you literally just wrap that around. It's so easy, and you can do it as tight or as loose. It's literally up to you. And then, you know, play around with where you want each lock. Fix this. I don't like it over my ears, so make sure my ears are out. And there you go. Like, it's literally so simple. It's so easy and cute. And you can wear this in a bun, you can wear it out, like you can do so many things. You can put a bang, like it's just, oh, and then let me put my little, you know what I'm saying? I like to put my little pieces out in the back, my little kitchens, you know, just to give it a little extra. No, but for real, like, you guys, it's so easy. Like, it's so easy, and it's like so cute. What do you need a retwist for when you can just put, especially if you have starter locks? Like, head wraps were my go-to when I first started my locks, because I was not in love with them. They look like worms, and I was like, I look like a little boy. So I would come up with all types of hair wrap styles, and half of them I can't even wear anymore because how thick and long mine have gotten. It's been 2 years. I have 75 locks. I know you're gonna ask. You're welcome. So now I gotta try to like figure out different styles, but like, look at it. Like, I'm gonna just sit here. Can we have a moment of silence for this? Like, y'all, where am I going? Nowhere. I get cute to look cute. I get cute to look cute. I get cute to look cute. That actually makes sense. I don't have to go anywhere. Everywhere can come to me. Oh my God, I'm so cute. So yeah, that's it. More styles coming soon.